Welcome back. Today I'm in Ferryland, Newfoundland, one of the most historic and picturesque towns in the Irish Loop. Famous for its lighthouse, rugged coastline, and deep-rooted history, Ferryland is an absolute gem for landscape photography. In this video, I'll take you through my process, scouting locations, framing compositions, and capturing the dramatic light that makes this place so special. Well, since I don't like to miss an opportunity that may not come again, I might as well shoot this on my way up. So I've got my XH2, and I think I'll use my trusty little 16-50 and polarizer, of course. I don't think I'm going to need that ND. I'll use that later, though. And just pop that on there. When I'm looking for a composition, I look for foreground elements like this, really beautiful textured rock. The problem with this view, though, the lighthouse and its adjoining building is too flat on. I need it to be kind of a three-quarter view to, to balance everything out. It's just a little too flat on right now. So I'm going to look for another view with some interesting, elements in the foreground. You can see now how this view is getting better. I'm going to have to get a little closer and maybe a little bit more to the right to get a nice balance of lighthouse, adjoining building, rocks at the foreground, and I'm going to use my trusty Viltrox 13mm, but I think that's just going to be the right lens to use. There we go. There we go. Polarizer. Awesome. I'm afraid this is becoming more about the foreground elements than the lighthouse itself, but however, we will shoot it anyway, since we're here. Okay, now I love the position of the lighthouse and the adjoining building. I think that's perfect. Just nothing in the foreground to play it off against, but I'm going to shoot this anyway. So I got a little closer so that I could utilize the path that's coming down there, although it's not too significant. Anyway, it's just another view, and you can see what I mean right here, although I don't know. Anyway, beggars can't be choosers, I guess. So I've moved yet again to get a slightly different view. Again, no clouds. Got a polarizer on, and it's, I don't know, it looks like it's making the sky a little too uneven, a little more blue on one side than the other. So I may do one, well, take the polarizer off, stop down a bit. What was that? F8. Now I'll go down to okay, F14 and give that a go. Yeah, it's gorgeous here. I'm the only one here, unless people are hiding. But it's breezy. The surf is crashing on the rocks. There's beautiful flowers and berries and things all kind of blowing in the breeze. It's gorgeous. I think it's even going to be better once fall hits, when all of this landscape kind of, you know, kind of gets brown and orange, and that would be awesome. I'm coming back. Well, this is lovely. Beautiful. I'm telling you, Newfoundland is like another planet. Ferryland is one of Newfoundland's earliest settlements, founded in the 1600s. You can feel the history at every turn. The walk to the lighthouse is approximately 1 kilometer, but once you get there, it's worth it. So the local ladies, provide a box lunch here at the Ferryland Lighthouse, where you can sit up on the hill, grab a blanket, or just pick a picnic table, which I've done. Actually, this one was the less windiest spot on the hill, so anyway, they'll bring me my meal when they see my flag. Lunch has arrived. Homemade lemonade and a ham and brie sandwich and carrot cake. Perfect. So after lunch, I've decided I'm going to grab this shot. It's not great light, but I'm going to wait until later in the afternoon. But in the meantime, I'm going to do long exposure with an ND 1000. Oh my goodness, super windy. So I've moved back from the lighthouse. I'm going to use a little bit longer lens with some more reach. Gets me a little bit on the same level as the lighthouse, although it's still up on a point, but I'm going to try it anyway. I think it might be pretty good. Clouds are looking great too. F11. 1/25 of a second, 125 ISO. 2-second timer. The clouds are moving. They're not bad, but try. So I'm at right now I'm at a 50 millimeter on my trusty 16-50 Fujinon lens. I think it's going to be a vertical. Yes. And I can open up a little bit, give myself a little bit of room. From my advertising days, I got in the habit of shooting 25% loose so that it allows for cropping later, usually by an art director. So kind of got into that habit myself. Gives you lots more flexibility in post. And with, you know, a 40 megapixel sensor, plenty of room. And a second timer. Great. I gotta tell you, I'm not a huge fan of sunsets and sunrises, but I don't know. I guess I've got to do it.
Ferryland combines natural beauty and history in a way few places do. For a landscape photographer, it's a dream location. Thanks for joining me on this shoot, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Newfoundland adventures. See you in the next one.